Welcome back, guys and girls. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for joining me for another game I've written in Quick Basic 64. This time we're on Mars. I've taken a Sol 4 Perseverance photograph, cut it up, added some transparency and introduced some surprises for you guys and girls. I'll include the link to the panorama I used in the video description below. All credit, of course, goes to NASA JPL. So we're heading into Jezero River Delta. Here we have the drone and Perseverance rover. Just a huge shout out to one of my channel subs, Thomas, for a generous donation that he made of $200. Thank you, you're a true gentleman, Thomas. Let's get cracking on with the game. Same controls as with Infiltrator and Jupiter 2. This time we got some really cool graphics.
3, 2, 1.
Struggled a bit to make the blades transparent so that it looks as if they are spinning, but yeah, there we go. Obviously these are alien drones, and there's the mothership. Also, I've got 3 levels of parallax going on here again, folks. Foreground, and then the delta itself. There's that famous rectangular structure type of anomaly popping up there on the right. And there's the level boss. As always, you can switch off the sound in the background, and then you can switch off the sound effects. Let's put that back on. Nice ambient sound effect running there. This was really tricky, folks. But it's a culmination of the games that I've written over the past month or two. Yes, it was inevitable that we'd end up on Mars. Shots to destroy that one. I think just before I release the game for download, I want to change the little missile that's firing there. Possibly make it a laser. There's that strange dentist chair looking type of anomaly, bucket seat. I'm only using the left third of this panorama. It's huge, folks. Do give the game a shot. Let me know if there are any improvements or changes I can make, some additions. As I say, it looks like this is a 64-bit Windows 10 game. I'll see if I can compile these on my old Windows XP box. Hopefully that will work. It took me hours to cut these graphics up and to add transparency to them. there's the delta in the background, the ridge line closest to the rover, up here in the front. Also color corrected images and cleaned up the sky a bit.
3, 2, 1.
That's what happens when you fly into these alien drones, guys. Then you can get a life back again. Okay, now the crater edge is popping up way down there in the background. Switch off the sound effects. Looks like a shark. Check that fin. I love that Quick Basic supports transparent PNGs. Gives the graphics a really crisp look. Now I got to the right hand edge of that part of the photograph, so we're starting over. The foreground, check out the background, guys, it's going to get interesting now. The edge of Jezero crater looming there in the background. And then the delta coming into view now. And that's where Perseverance will end up, touring the edge of that delta and then traveling up the western edge of Jezero crater, the crater rim, and then out onto the surface. Who knows what it's going to find there, guys. Maybe I'll speed the spheres up a bit too. I can start seeing the detail in the crater edge. I really struggled to get rid of the mustardy red color. Let's end do this, crash into these spheres or press X. And then you can, as always, enter your initials if you have beaten the high score. Then you have the option to play again or to quit. Let's quit in this case. For those of you that might be interested in trying your hand at Quick Basic, you can download the free emulator at qb64.org. You can also make donations to the team there. They're doing an outstanding job keeping this old favorite alive. That's it for the short demonstration. I hope you like it. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Are there any improvements or changes I can make? Let's have a chat in the comments below. In the next video, we're returning to Mars. Until then, take care. Ciao for now.